You have a spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Oh. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Samasta Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram Yo antah pravishya mama vachamimam prasuttam sanjeevayatyakhila shaktidharasvadhamna amnyamscha hastacharana shravanatvagadin प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् सर्वमङ्गलमङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयना माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहाम् पाणिभ्याम् मलिपूर्णरत्नचषकम् रक्तोत्पलम् बिभ्रतीम् सौम्याम् रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणान् ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम् अरुणाम् करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीम् धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृताम् मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानीम् ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थाम् विकसितवदनाम् पद्मपत्रायताक्षीम् हेमाभाम् पीतवस्त्राम् करकलितलसद्धेम पद्माम् वराङ्गीम् सर्वालङ्कारयुक्ताम् सततमभयदाम् भक्तनम्राम् भवानीम् श्रीविद्याम् शान्तमूर्तिम् सकलसुरनुताम् सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्री सकुङ्कुमविलेपनामलिकचुम्बिकस्तूरिकाम् समन्दहसि ते क्षणाम् सशरचापपाशाङ्कुशाम् अशेषजनमोहिनीमरुणमाल्यभूषाम्बराम् जपाकुसुमभासुरान् जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिका ॐ ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ॐ श्रीमात्रे नमः. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Lalita Sahasranam session. We're going to see the next 15 verses today. And we'll have time to revise a lot, then you can volunteer to chant as well. So let's begin from 161 till 175 we will do today. Yakachim. 161. कार्यकारणनिर्मुक्ता कामकेलितरङ्गिता
कार्यकारणनिर्मुक्ता कामकेलितरङ्गिता
कनत्कनकताटङ्का लीला विग्रहधारिणी
कनत्कनकताटङ्का लीला विग्रहधारिणी कार्यकारणनिर्मुक्ता कामकेलितरङ्गिता कनत्कनकताटङ्का लीला विग्रहधारिणी.
So very simple verse. Karyakarana, that na is Murdhani. In the second line, Leela, we have to go Dirgha. Vigraha is a Dvitva. Just it's a simple verse. Karya Karana Nirmukta Kama Keli Tarangita Kanat Kanakata Tanka Leela Vigraha Dharini Ajakshaya Vinirmukta Mugdha Kshipra Prasadini.
आजाक्षय विनिर्मुक्ता मुग्धा क्षिप्रप्रसादिनी
अंतर्मुख समाराध्या बहिर्मुख सुदुर्लभा.
अंतर्मुख समाराध्या बहिर्मुख सुदुर्लभा अजाक्षय विनिर्मुक्ता मुग्धा क्षिप्रप्रसादिनी अंतर्मुख समाराध्या बहिर्मुख सुदुर्लभा.
Aja Kshaya. That Kshaya, KSH sound has to be heard. Kshaya. Vinir Mukta. Mukta will have a pressure. Mugdha, that mu will also have a pressure. Kshipra, Kshi will have a pressure because Pra is a conjunct. And Pra will have a pressure because the next Prasadin is Pra is a conjunct. So Kshipra Prasadini. We have to do back to back Vitva sounds. Then Antar Mukha. Sa is a Mahaprana. Samaradhya. The Dhya is a Mahaprana. Bahir Mukha. Sa sound has to be, not Bahir Mukha. Bahir Mukha. Sudurla Ha. Ending is with a Mahaprana sound. Ajakshaya Vinirmukta Mugdha Kshipra Prasadini Antarmukha Samaradhya Bahirmukha Sudurlabha. Trayi Trivarga Nilaya Tristha Tripura Malini.
त्रयी त्रिवर्ग निलया त्रिस्था त्रिपुर मालिनी
Niramaya Niralamba Svatma Rama Sudha Srutihi.
निरामया निरालंबा स्वात्मा रामा सुधा श्रुतिः त्रयी त्रिवर्ग निलया त्रिस्था त्रिपुर मालिनी निरामया निरालंबा स्वात्मा रामा सुधा श्रुतिः.
So, there is no Dvitva, though Tra is coming very often and conjunct, because each time before a Tra, there is a Dirgha sound. Trayi, three varga. So, three vargas, before that three vargas, three, E is a long sound. So, no Dvitva. Then the three varga Nila Ya, Tristha. So, Ya is a Dirgha sound. So, Tristha, though conjunct, there is no Dvitva. But Tristha, the Tha is a Mahaprana. Tha is a Mahaprana, Dirgha. So, Tripura Malini is coming, but Tha is a Dirgha sound, so there is no Dvitva. So, though there would be conjuncts ending when there is a Dirgha sound, no Dvitva will happen. Dvitva is happening only at a Hasva sound. Okay. Niramaya, Niralamba, all plain and simple. Svatma Rama. Sudha, Dha is a Mahaprana. Srutihi, you have to cut the sound early. Trayi Trivarga Nilaya Tristha. Tristha can be a Dvitva because Tha, Sa and Tha is there. So Tristha, automatically the mouth will say it as a Dvitva only. Tristha Tripura Malini Niramaya Niralamba Svatma Rama Sudha Srutihi. Samsara Panka Nirmagna Samudharana Pandita.
संसार पंक निर्मग्न समुद्धरण पंडिता
Yajna Priya Yajna Kartri Yajamana Swarupini.
यज्ञ प्रिया यज्ञ कर्त्री यजमान स्वरूपिणी संसार पंक निर्मग्न समुद्धरण पंडिता यज्ञ प्रिया यज्ञ कर्त्री यजमान स्वरूपिणी.
Samsara, not samsara or sansara. Nirmagna, ma will have a pressure. Samudharana, mu will have a pressure. Dharana will have that Mahaprana sound. Na will be a Murdhani Nakara. And Pandita, that Na is also Murdhani. Yadnyap, so Ya will have a pressure. Nya will have a pressure. Nya is a conjunct, so Yav is having pressure. Priya's Priya is a conjunct, so Nya is having pressure. Yajna Priya, Yajna Kartri, like that it will go. Then, so here we'll again have a pressure over there. Yajamana Swarupini. We have no Rupini, how to say. Ru is Dirgha, P short. Ni Dirgha, Murdhani. Samsara Panka Nirmagna Samudharana Pandita. Yajna Priya, Yajna Kartri, Yajamana Swarupini. Dharma Dhara Dhanadhyaksha Dhana Dhanya Vivardhini.
धर्माधारा धनाध्यक्षा धनधान्य विवर्धिनी
विप्रप्रिया विप्ररूपा विश्वभ्रमणकारिणी
विप्रप्रिया विप्ररूपा विश्वभ्रमणकारिणी धर्माधारा धनाध्यक्षा धनधान्य विवर्धिनी विप्रप्रिया विप्ररूपा विश्वभ्रमणकारिणी.
A lot of Mahapranas in first line, lot of Dvitvas in the second line. Let's see. Dharma Dhara. So that, see the force of the air that is getting expelled. Dharma Dhara. So, lot of force. Then, Dhanadhyaksha. Dhana's Dha Mahaprana. Dhyaksha's Dhya is a Mahaprana. Then, Dhana Dhanya. Again, the Dhana's Dha and Dhanya's Dha Mahaprana. Vivardhini. So our Dha pronunciation has to be perfect. Then when all that power is given on those alphabets, it sounds nice. Dharma Dhara Dhanadhyaksha Dhana Dhanya Vivardhini. All the Mahapranas perfect. All that power is giving. So sound also will come. Vibrations also will be there. The power of chanting we can experience. So we have to be very nice with the pronunciation. Now comes all the Dvitva. Vipra. V is a Dvitva because Pra is a conjunct. Then Pra is a Dvitva because Priya's Pri is a conjunct. Vipra Priya, consecutive. Vipra Priya. Got it? So one Vip, that Dvitva is happening, the next Pra's Pa has come. Pra, because Priya's Pra is there. So Vip. Priya. So when that pa is coming, you are using your oshtha sound. You have to nicely press your lips and get that vitva. Priya. Without doing that, that power on that vitva will not come. So first one. Second, Viprarupa. Again, V is having Dvitva. Rupa's Ru is Dirgha. Then Vishwa. So it is not that strong because Shakara is coming half. You will get that Vishwa, so it will happen like that. But that Shwa will be Dvitva because Brahmana's Bha is a Brahmana's Bha is a conjunct. So Vishwa Brahmana Vab. So that Bha half has to come in Va. Vishwab. See? Vishwab. And then Brahmana. Vishwab Brahmana. Like that it will happen. Karini. So Brahmana. That ana is a murdhani nakara. Karini, that ni is also murdhani nakara with dirgha sound. Okay. Dharma Dhara Dhanadhyaksha Dhana Dhanya Vivardhini. Viprapriya Viprarupa Vishwabhramana Karini. So Dvitva should come correct. Dirgha should come correct. Mahaprana should come correct. And then all these small things will be there. Nakara is murdhani or nakara is there. Those pronunciations. Then we derive those benefits of listening to a good chanting. And then for a Vedantin, we should know the meaning. Hopefully, I don't know whether when I put the audios, I can give 1 line, 2 line meanings of what we are chanting. It's there in my mind. I just expressed it loud. So I feel that something in the mind, it will come. And if I don't express it loud, it just falls off somewhere. So now since I've expressed, probably I can work it backwards to make it possible. A class on Lalita Sahasranam meaning won't be possible because it's also jam-packed with other bigger classes. A WhatsApp audio can be a possible, most probably. Let us see how she wills. And I also wanted to do some meanings of Lalita Sahasranam. Vishnu Sahasranam we did. We did with posters and meaning and chanting rules. We did very good for Vishnu Sahasranam WhatsApp. So something like that for Lalita Sahasranam should come out. Let us see. Whatever she wills. Next. Vishwagrasa Vidruma Bha Vaishnavi Vishnurupini.
विश्वग्रासा विद्रुमाभा वैष्णवी विष्णुरूपिणी
Ayonirjoni Nilaya Kutastha Kularupini.
अयोनिर्योनिनिलया कूटस्था कुलरूपिणी विश्वग्रासा विद्रुमाभा वैष्णवी विष्णुरूपिणी अयोनिर्योनिनिलया कूटस्था कुलरूपिणी
Vishwagrasa, like Vishwabhramana, we did bha in that va, now ga in that va. Vishwagrasa, vagra, vagra, and vabhra. See how the mouth is changing for bha and for ga. Ga is a kanthya sound, guttural sound. Bha is a osthya sound. Vishwa is the common word between both. Vishwabhramana, see, Brahmana we are doing with the osthya. Vishwagrasa. See, the mouth has remained open, and from the kantha, from the throat, the gutter, the sound comes. Vishwagrasa vagrasa. Vishwabhramana. See? So the position of what alphabet you are chanting, and if you get in mind picturization of what part of mouth you are using to produce that sound, the pronunciations will automatically come clear. Okay. So now Vishwagrasa. Vidruma, sana vid. See, now I hear for that after V, the druma is there. The is a dental sound. Automatically, the tongue is touching the teeth. So, vid, to get the dvitva, vidru, vid. Without touching the tongue to the teeth, you cannot get that dvitva, vidru. So, all our dvitvas, half sounds that we take, it depends upon what category, from the ka, cha, ta, ta, pa, what varga sound we are taking. Guttural or palatal or murdhani or danta or oshtha. These 5 only places the sound comes out from, where we use in the mouth. I mean. Then vidruma bha, that bha is a mahaprana. Vaishnavi, shakara is a murdhani. V is dirgha. Vishnu, shakara is murdhani. And then our rupini. Okay. Ayonir, yoni, nilaya, also small sounds except for yo. Kutastha. Ku is a dirgha sound. It's not kutastha. Kutastha. Hold the ku little longer. Tha is a mahaprana. Kula rupini. Ru and ni. We have to remember. Vishwagrasa vidruma bha vaishnavi vishnur. So when you practice dvitva only. You can't say, okay, let me just chant first Vishwagrasa vidruma bha, and later on I will practice dvitva to post the audio for correction. When you see the word, that time only you should pronounce it with dvitva. It should come automatically. Vishwagrasa, Vishwabhramana, Vidruma. By natural instinct, the dvitva sound only should be kept in the memory. It's not that you have to deliberate later on, think and practice and produce that sound. No. So by learning itself, hold the dvitva, that the pronunciation of this word is in dvitva, like this you hold. Okay. Let's go ahead. Then, did we chant that? No. Vishwagrasa vidruma bha vaishnavi vishnurupini ayoneryoni nilaya kutastha kularupini veeragoshthi priya veera naishkarmyanadarupiणी.
वीरगोष्ठी प्रिया वीरा नैष्कर्म्यानादरूपिणी
विज्ञानकलना कल्या विदग्धा बैन्दवासना.
विज्ञानकलना कल्या विदग्धा बैन्दवासना वीरगोष्ठी प्रिया वीरा नैष्कर्म्यानादरूपिणी विज्ञानकलना कल्या विदग्धा बैन्दवासना
Veera. So we are holding the V. Vidruma, that V was short. Veera, V dirgha. Go, dirgha. Goshti, Sha is a Murdhani Sakara and Tha is a Mahaprana and Dirgha Ikara. Goshti, so no Dvitva because it's a Dirgha. Veera Goshti Priya. Then Veera, again V is Dirgha. Naish, Nai. I ki matra, not ne. Nai, naish, and shakara. Naishkarmya, karmya, ya ending. Nadarupini. Then Vijnana. So Dvitva vi. Vijnana. Then Kalana, Kalya. Vidagdha. Dagdha. The will have a pressure. Vidagdha. Bainda. Banda. Bainda Vasana. Okay. Veera Goshti Priya Veera Naishkarmyanadarupiणी Vijnana Kalana Kalya Vidagdha Bainda Vasana Tattvadhika Tattvamayi Tattvamarthaswarupiणी
तत्त्वाधिका तत्त्वमयी तत्त्वमर्थस्वरूपिणी
सामगानप्रिया सौम्या सदा शिवकुटुम्बिनी
सामगानप्रिया सौम्या सदा शिवकुटुम्बिनी तत्त्वाधिका तत्त्वमयी तत्त्वमर्थस्वरूपिणी सामगानप्रिया सौम्या सदा शिवकुटुम्बिनी
Tattvadhika. Ta has a pressure. Double ta. Tattvadhika. He is a Mahaprana. Tattvamayi. Dirgha. Tattvam Artha. So Tattvam Arthaswarupini. Tha will have that sa half. Tattvam Arthaswarupini. Then Samaga na Priya. Na is a Dvitva sound. Saumya. Ya ending. Sadashiva Kutumbini. Normal. तत्त्वाधिका तत्त्वमयी तत्त्वमर्थस्वरूपिणी सामगानप्रिया सौम्या सदा शिवकुटुम्बिनी सव्यापसव्यमार्गस्था सर्वापद्विनिवारिणी
सव्यापसव्यमार्गस्था सर्वापद्विनिवारिणी
स्वस्था स्वभाव मधुरा धीरा धीर समर्चिता
स्वस्था स्वभाव मधुरा धीरा धीर समर्चिता सव्यापसव्यमार्गस्था सर्वापद्विनिवारिणी स्वस्था स्वभाव मधुरा धीरा धीर समर्चिता
Savya. Sa will have a pressure. Va will come. Savya. So va, half va is there in sa. Savya. Pa, savya. So both the s's are dvitva sounds. Margastha. Gastha. Tha is a Mahaprana. Sarva padvinivari. Ni dirgha. Swastha. Again a pressure. Mahaprana tha. Swabhava Madhura. The dha is a Mahaprana, not Swabhava Madhura. Madhura. We have to say the dha correctly over there. Dhira. Mahaprana. Dhira. Samarchita. Again Mahaprana. And also Dirgha sound. Savyapasavya margastha sarva padvinivarini. Swastha swabhava madhura dhira dhira samarchita. Throat has gone suddenly. Chaitanyarghya samaradhya chaitanya kusuma प्रिया
चैतन्यार्घ्यसमाराध्या चैतन्यकुसुमप्रिया
सदोदिता सदा तुष्टा तरुणादित्यपाटला
सदोदिता सदा तुष्टा तरुणादित्यपाटला चैतन्यार्घ्यसमाराध्या चैतन्यकुसुमप्रिया सदोदिता सदा तुष्टा तरुणादित्यपाटला
Chai, I ki matra, tanya, ta will have a pressure. Chai, tanya. Then, chaitanyar, gh. That half ra, nyar, then gha mahaprana and a ya. So you'll have to separately practice this word. Chaitanyar, gh. Gh sound has to come, mahaprana. Then ta also has to have a pressure. And that ra also has to be chanted. Chaitanyarghya, nyarghya, tanyarghya, chaitanyarghya. Okay, mark the alphabet. Then samaradhya, that dhya is a mahaprana. Chaitanya, kusu, mapriya, mapriya will be vitva sound. Sadodita, normal. Sada, tushta, shakara, murdhani shakara. Mark it. Taruna, ditya, these are dvitva sound. Pressure on the. Ditya, patala, normal. Chaitanyarghya samaradhya, chaitanya kusuma priya. Sadodita, sada, tushta, taruna, ditya, patala. Next. Dakshina. See, automatically it will come. Dakshina, Dakshina, Radhya, Darasmera, Mukhambuja.
दक्षिणा दक्षिणाराध्याधरस्मेरमुखाम्बुजा
Kauliनी, Kevalanarghya, Kaivalya,
कौलिनी केवलानर्घ्य कैवल्यपददायिनी दक्षिणा दक्षिणाराध्याधरस्मेरमुखाम्बुजा कौलिनी केवलानर्घ्य कैवल्यपददायिनी
Dakshina. The is a dvitva sound. Pressure on the. Ksha is kanjal. Dakshina. Na is a murdhani nakara. Again. Dakshina radhya. The dvitva sound. Na murdhani and radhya's dhya mahaprana. Darasmera. Ra will have a pressure. Sma is a kanjang. Darasmera. Mukha. Kha is a mahaprana. Mukhambuja. First line over. Second. Kaulini, cow sound, not caw. Cow, ow sound has to come over there. Kevalanarghya, that's avagraha we don't chant. Pull the la of Kevalanarghya. Kevalanarghya. Narghya. Gha and ya. Ghya. Mahaprana. Kevalanarghya. Okay. Then again. Kaivalya, not Kevalya. Kaivalya, Valya, va will have a pressure. Padadayini. So this yakara with ikara, we have to say ye only. We cannot say e as a swara. Ye. Padadayini. It comes from the soft palate. Padadayini. Yini. Not da ini. Okay. Dakshina, Dakshina, Radhya, Darasmera, Mukhambuja, Kaulini, Kevalanarghya, Kaivalya, Padadayini. Next. Stotra Priya, Stutimati, Shruti Samstuta Vaibhava.
स्तोत्र प्रिया स्तुतिमती श्रुति संस्तुत वैभवा
Stotra Priya. Oh, sorry, I have to do the second line. Manaswini, Manavati, Maheshi, Mangalakritihi.
मनस्विनी मानवती महेशी मङ्गलाकृतिः स्तोत्रप्रिया स्तुतिमती श्रुतिसंस्तुतवैभवा मनस्विनी मानवती महेशी मङ्गलाकृतिः
So, trapriya, tra will have a dvitva sound. Stuti, mati, dirghati. First T is short, stuti. Then mati's T is long. Shruti, short sound. Samstuta, not samstuta or sanstuta. Samstuta, vaibhava. Second line, manaswini, nas will happen. Swini, dirgha. Manavati, dirgha. Maheshi, dirgha. Mangala, kritihi. That is ending short. Ending is a short ending for here. Stotra priya stutimati shruti samstuta vaibhava manasvini manavati maheshi mangala kritihi Vishwamata jagadhatri vishalakshi viragini
विश्वमाता जगद्धात्री विशालाक्षी विरागिणी
प्रगल्भा परमोदारा परामोदा मनोमयी
प्रगल्भा परमोदारा परामोदा मनोमयी विश्वमाता जगद्धात्री विशालाक्षी विरागिणी प्रगल्भा परमोदारा परामोदा मनोमयी
Vishwamata, we will have small pressure. Jagadhatri, Jagad, Gad will happen. Jagad, the alpa prana. Then Dhatri, Dha is a Mahaprana. Jagadhatri, Jagad, the have to be said, even if it's half. Jagadhatri, Then Vishalakshi, as usual, Viragini, ending long. Pragalbha, Ga will have a pressure. Paramo, Dara, Alpa Prana, Para, Moda, Manomai, all simple. Vishwamata, Jagadhatri, Vishalakshi, Viragini, Pragalbha, Paramodara, Paramoda, Manomai. Vyomakeshi Vimanastha Vajrini Vamakeshwari
व्योमकेशी विमानस्था वज्रिणी वामकेश्वरी
Panchayatnya Pancha Pretamанчाधिशायिनी
पञ्चयज्ञप्रिया पञ्चप्रेतमञ्चाधिशायिनी व्योमकेशी विमानस्था वज्रिणी वामकेश्वरी पञ्चयज्ञप्रिया पञ्चप्रेतमञ्चाधिशायिनी
Vyomakeshi Dirgha Vimanasthana will have a slight pressure and Tha is a Mahaprana. Vajrini, Vaj. So that Vitva, half Ja is in Va. Vaj, Vitva, Vajrini. Ni is Dirgha, Vamakeshwari, Dirghari, Pancha, Yadnya. Ya is having a pressure. Yadnya Priya, Dnya is a Dvitva again. Pancha Preta, Chapre should happen. Please mark this because many people forget to chant this particular Dvitva. Pancha Preta, Manchadhi is a Mahaprana. Vyomakeshi Vimanastha Vajrini Vamakeshwari Panchayadnya Priya Pancha Preta Manchadhishayini. Unless you have practice like this only, it will not come. So while learning itself, you don't say Pancha Preta while learning and then think later on you will add Dvitva for audio checking. No. While chanting normal itself, say Pancha Preta. Like that only it should have. Last verse for today. Panchami Panchabhuteshi Panchasankhyopacharini
पञ्चमी पञ्चभूतेशी पञ्चसङ्ख्योपचारिणी
शाश्वती शाश्वतैश्वर्या शर्मदा शम्भुमोहिनी
शाश्वती शाश्वतैश्वर्या शर्मदा शम्भुमोहिनी पञ्चमी पञ्चभूतेशी पञ्चसङ्ख्योपचारिणी शाश्वती शाश्वतैश्वर्या शर्मदा शम्भुमोहिनी.
Thank you, Lataji. Thank you so much. Okay. So, Panchami Dirgha, Bhu Mahaprana Dirgha, Te Shi, all Dirgha sounds. Panchasankhyo, Kha is a Mahaprana, Pacharini, Murdhani Nakara Dirgha, Shashvati Ti Dirgha, Shashvatai Shwarya Dirgha, Sharmada Dirgha, Shambhu, that Bhu is Mahaprana, Mohini Dirgha. So, Panchami Panchabhuteshi Panchasankhyopacharini Shashwati Shashvataishwarya Sharmada Shambhu Mohini. Anybody has any doubts? No doubts? Anybody wants to chant any verse and show?
Yes.
Yes, which one?
The 169, the
Okay.
Savya Pastyamagasta Sarva Padvinivarini Swasta Svabhadama
Swabhava.
Dura
Swasta Swabhava Madhura.
Swasta
Swabhava.
Swasta Swabhava Madhura Dira Samarchita.
Good, Heike. The camera is somehow not working, but I can make out how you would be reading. So, could you read it again now with all the correction? Swabhava Madhura and Dhira. So Heike is reading from Devanagari, right?
Mhm. Yeah.
Are you reading? Yes.
Svyapa
Savyapasavya
Svya
Margastha
Sarva Padvinivarini Swasta Svabhava Madhura Dira Samajita.
Dhira Dhira Samarchita.
Dira Samajita.
Good, good, excellent. So we will be having audio corrections, and that time some fine tuning will do. Like Dhi can get more power, and Samarchita Sta can get less power. Then it will be perfect. So it is the play in the mouth, that how much air you are pushing and how you are giving a pressure. It's all that. Good, Heike. Excellent. Well done.
I'm so nervous.
No, you're doing good. Excellent. Okay. So anybody else wants to chant any other verse? All good. Let's end today's session, and tomorrow we'll have concluding verses and the Shama Prarthana tomorrow. Then day after tomorrow, I'll be reading the whole Lalita Sahasranam. So we'll have one Parayan on Dashami day. Okay. And you will have your Parayanam in Chaitra Navratri. We'll take 6 months to reach over there with each pronunciation. So target that, yes, you have to do the Parayan on your own in Chaitra Navratri. So let's end today's session. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् श्रीदुर्गार्पणमस्तु Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining. Let's meet tomorrow for the concluding session.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, Manu. Thank you for those lovely flowers offered today.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Sharji.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hari Om.